So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig /release. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on enter again. And now you're going to type in ipconfig /renew. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to type in netsh int ip set DNS. Click on enter. And now for the last one, you're going to type in netsh winsock reset and click on enter again. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't do it yet till you complete the next step in the video. Now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine, and then you want to expand system, and then you want to expand current control set, and then you want to expand control, and then you want to scroll down, and then click on network, the network folder. You do not want to expand it, you just want to click on the network folder, and then if you see anything that says config on it, you just want to delete it. So you're going to right click on it, and then click on delete, and then click on yes. Now you just want to restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed.